It's like 8 a.m. in the morning. We had water last night. Flood got down through here. Lots of water, lots of ice this morning. Rained really hard. As you can tell, everything is wet. We got little trenches. It was nice. Nice night. Rain all night. Beautiful. Nice camping site. Nobody around. Haven't heard much of a cow. One cow. That's it. Haven't seen any other sign of animals. We caught one fish last night. There's the camp cook in there cooking eggs and bacon this morning. Her home away from home, she got her a cup of hot chocolate. Got her coat on in there yet. It's like 100 degrees in there already.
Hi, good morning.
Cook us some bacon and eggs.
Breakfast, everybody.
Wow, you got a nice home in here, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna arrange all of this because we've been here yesterday, so it's not organized well yet. So, yeah.
And that is looking good. I just wish they didn't stick with that grease, but yeah, that's all right. Peel them off, we'll throw 2 more on it. They'll taste the same, huh?
Morning.
Well, how was your camping night?
Day 1, it's good.
Day 1, good.
Last night.
Night 1, fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we got our towel, the dish rags hanging.
Our gas stove.
Yeah, our wood stove.
Wood stove, what I mean.
We got enough firewood in here for a couple days in case it rains again. Then we cut a whole bunch over there yesterday. We can get in here if we have to, dry it out a little bit.
Our new house.
Our camping tent. Got a
Yes,
nice
sir.
big queen size bed, which is handy
Our house.
to romp and roam. Yeah. Bacon this morning, wow.
Bacon and egg and cocoa.
Hot chocolate. I'm about done my hot chocolate already.
Yeah, you're almost done.
Not a mosquito one. No mosquitoes. I think up until last night, it's been too damn dry for mosquitoes. Get you a picture of the creek here right behind our tent. Got our stove a-perking. Creek's right behind the tent here. Beautiful. Yeah, I wish that old Yogi would come up through here. Be nice to see and meet Yogi and Boo Boo. I know a bunch of you would not know who Yogi and Boo Boo is, but by God, I do. I watch cartoons. Yeah, it's really nice. That's up the creek there. Pretty quiet this morning. Sun's coming up finally. We'll dry all this crap off and we'll get down there and see if we can catch us a fish or 2. Caught one last night, about 12 inches. Really good tasting fish. Wife says it tastes like milkfish. Tastes like trout to me. It was a trout. Trout tastes like trout. Frog don't taste like chicken. Frog tastes like frog. So, this is the campsite. We're going to stay here a few more days and just do whatever we want to do. Well, my breakfast is ready, so camp cook's coming out saying it's ready. Let's eat.
Let's see it.
Let's have 2 eggs each.
Come on.
Okay, I'm hungry.
So you want 2 eggs?
I want 2 eggs each.